all, I'm back with the next topic, and next topic is how to prevent from COVID-19. As we everybody know, everybody hear the news regularly basis what is COVID-19. It is ultimately a virus and nobody get a vaccination till date. Everybody working on it. Either it's UK, US and India. Every pharmacy will work to find it and make a vaccine which will effectively work on it, but till they will not get the success as they wanted. So that what we can do, virus is kind of the thing which will not spreading if we know the things and do so it will not spread very fastly. What we can do, we will stop the ratio of spreading. And how it can be, we can stop it. First of all, every day whatever you are touching it, which you usually commonly touch, like your mobile, your table, your works, you have to sanitize it. Sanitize everything which you commonly use. Secondly, what you can do, always wash your hand. 20-second rules, as you remember. Firstly, you have to use I will tell you in another video how to wash your hand. This is 20-second procedure. So afterwards, what you can do, always, those are sneezing and coughing, you have to tell them whether you are living with your family. Cover your hand, not only hands. Cover your face with a hanky or the mask if you feel sneezing and coughing, because this is the reason it will spreading the very fastly, and one person will really communicate this virus to another person if they are touch the unhygienic thing in the way they did it. Like I sneeze, achoo, so my hand will not safe now, it will unsanitized, right? And I touch all the things, and another person will touch the same thing, it will communicate one person to another person and it will not stop. So what we can do, till the date the vaccine will not ready, we can help our doctors. What we can do, we will make a social distancing. If it's really not important, we will not go outside. It's really important, necessary, then you will go outside. And always follow the rule. Go in a car, wear a gloves, wear a mask, and always keep with your sanitizer, hand sanitizer. And whatever the clothes you wear it, and shoes, when you go out, it's okay, it's fine. Then you have to go in a car, so two people will sit, one person sit in first driving seat, another will be sitting back seat, not together. Maintain this first rule. And second rule, when you or either you go in a scooter and a bike, try to go alone. And same rule, wear a mask, sanitize your hand, wear a glove, always keep with your sanitizer, hankies. Don't use hanky, instead of that you have to use a napkins. So that use and throw, it is very important these days. And when you came out, when you will come your home, you have to do one thing: put off your shoes outside your home, not enter in your home. Then directly go to your washroom, ask someone to give your clothes, and you will wash your clothes directly in the towel and take a shower. Also use that drops of Dettol in your water and then take a shower, and then dress up again and then came out. This will you feel safe and save the others too. Don't meet the people. I know it's really difficult. We already 3 to 4 months follow this rule, but we have to stop the spreading speed. For that, we have to stop meeting with the people. Instead of that, we can communicate with the help of social networking site. We have a good by video call method. You can talk with them with this video and talk on a call. This way, you can connect with the people whom you're missing a lot. You are working it, so that you will be safe and they will also be safe. This is really essential step. Whatever you buy from outside, keep it from outside your room. I mean, outside your lobby, in your lobby, you put all the item till the 19 hours. Wait for that one, and if get all the thing inside in kitchen, wash it all properly, then put in for the wet, for the dryness. Sorry, for the dry, and then put it all the right places. This way, you can use all the things. Either your vegetable and fruits, you can buy it. Wash very clearly, very carefully, not a one time. You have to wash 3 to 4 times so that you will consume it and it will not harm you as well as not your family. Don't drink um, cold water nowadays, not even ice cream, because it will create a problem of sneezing and coughing. And coughing will, if it increase, so ultimately your immune system will be low. So you have to, what you have to do, you have to take a good good uh, nutrients which help you to strong your immune system. You have to take dry nuts, and you have to take dry fruits which will help you to increase and boost your immunity to fight with this COVID-19, with this disease. This way you can lead yourself and save, not you save yourself, you are saving your family as well as your society. And yeah, avoiding outside junk food, whether it will start, but you have to make sure to maintain your hygiene. Enjoy all the things at your home. Try make it your home and then enjoy it instead of go and buy all these things. I know it's really difficult, but you have to do at least for the 6 months, for the sake of your own life, for the sake of the others' life too. And the last, always gargling, using the lukewarm water, or add some common salt and the pink salt, and then gargle it so that it will clear your throat, and it will help you to clear all the remove all the mucus if it will be store it over here, and that affect you a lot, and then it will decrease your immunity of saving from this virus. So this way you can prevent yourself and prevent your society from this pandemic, which is you will help to spreading slowly. Till I hope it will be vaccine will be prepared within 6 months, in a year, but till date we have to uh, know our responsibility about ourselves, about our family, about our society. And yeah, one more thing, below the 10 years age and above 60-year age, they will not go outside, not even for the walk. They want to work, they will go for the terrace, wear the mask, and wear the gloves at their hands, in their hands, and then they go to take a walk at their society only, and when there's no one around them. So always choose a odd time where people will not stand together. I hope you understand what I need to understand from this topic, and please be safe, be healthy, stay at home, and I wish this will clear all these problems smoothly so that we will live a life the way we lived before, but we will stop and make understand what the mistake we did in the past, so that we will not make that mistake again, and make our environment healthy and happy, so that everyone can take a proper uh, breathe proper breath as we are taking nowadays. Bye bye all.